Hello everyone, welcome to LHLovingLife offline events. We're here to experience the beauty of life. Today we have folks from top consulting firm, private equity, investors, in the really busy New York City. We're here to build authentic connections while experiencing the beauty of life. Special thanks to our event partner Capvision for partnering and co-hosting this event with us.
Loving Life Experience Series is our offline event series. Post-pandemic and in the age of AI, we find it increasingly more important to celebrate who we are as human beings, not just human doings or machines to perform certain tasks. At LH Loving Life, we're building a third space outside of work and family to build authentic connections while experiencing the beauty of life together, where ideas are spread and discussed, including those crazy, wild, and realistic ones, where human creativity is unleashed, distinct personal voice are expressed, and where empathy, curiosity, sensitivity lead us to build real, long-lasting friendship with one another. If you're passionate about living a joyful, purposeful, well-balanced life that is dynamic, creative, which unleashes your full potential, join us at our next Loving Life Experience Series to build authentic connections while experiencing the beauty of life together.